During the EAP weeks, the one thing I really enjoy is sitting down and talking to our customers and being able to help capture their workflows and how they use our tools. We really love listening to our customers, getting their ideas and finding out how those ideas can be implemented in to make them better users of our software.
This is my maybe 10th or 11th EAP. This is the kind of a base training that I can get it or hands-on on the new and upcoming features of NX.
It's my first time doing this early access stuff, learning how some of these commands work. It's nice to have the person that actually programmed it or work on this. It's good to get all that feedback from them.
We're able to bring our specific problems that may have gone stagnant going through traditional channels like GTAC and raise the issue and get, in some cases, fixes in one release cycle.
Everybody's been super friendly, super helpful. They all seem to be very open and responsive to whatever issues we seem to come across.
So I definitely appreciate more transparency in what's going on in that space. And just being able to actually know what's coming 6 months out, which is one of the biggest deals for EAP. All that drives which areas are safe investments for configuration or training, and which ones you might want to wait for the new thing to come out and then work on it.
Siemens is really going and trying to fix all the stuff that's been outstanding, and they're doing a really good job of picking all those enhancements up and cleaning those up.
NX 2412 is another great release where we have many of the great content of that. We continue to improve our current existing release functionality, but several outstanding ones are immersive engineering.
The ability to collaborate with the new Sony device, there's been a lot of excitement about that. A lot of people asking questions, wanting to get their hands on it. I think it's going to bring a whole new level of ability to use the CAD software that we just have never had in all the time I've been using CAD.
The immersive environment is going to allow us to utilize that more effectively with minimal amount of equipment and being able to interact with the virtual objects with your hands, and that's really encouraging and exciting.
I'm looking forward to learning more about the Checkmate and the DFM technology that was talked about during Virtual Week.
The sketch checking is a really nice enhancement because that was something that was really kind of lacking. The new filtering to see all the different constraints and stuff that it's looking at, it's much easier to find all that information and drill down to what you need to do to fix it.
I would recommend it other users to join the EAP. You can learn the things, that's one. You can ahead of the curve or ahead of everybody else. You get a chance to see the new functionality. And the best of all, you get the chance to meet the developer and the project leaders and to develop a context. So that helps you when you have issue that you can talk to them, that allows you to put name and face together.
Having our customer feedback when they come on site to participate with us, it is invaluable. They get to spend a week long of direct interactions with our product management and also with our quality, with our developers. And then while they're on site, they get to experience what it is like to start testing, evaluating for their deployment. So they take all this wealth of experience that they have here and take it back with their colleagues.
We also get a lot of great ideas of how we can make NX better from those customers. For instance, over the last year, we've done over 1,700 customer enhancements to NX based on things that come from events just like this.
We think we know how things work and we design things to that, but occasionally they say, this thing you did that's not the way it is in the real world. So having that back and forth rather than just throwing a product out to the market and just assuming it's what they want, it really makes a big difference.
It's a collaborative interaction that we can do to move NX forward to be the best MCAD system in the world.